Thokozani bokhokona umkhulu magombama nomhlaba yimi umahlala entabeni ubaba engane kaLathoya Magene uvusa amazulu. Ngilibele nyamlandelela nje babaleka ngiphume emakhodi nawo amaphepha. Lathoya yekubaleka, I want to save you ngoba sonama convert. The court wants you ukuthi sile ngengane asana indaba eziningi kumele sizenze. Lento ukuthi ubaleka ayisizi and futhi ngikwenzele ne protection order ukuthi uphizwe nobaleka ngengane yami. And then uLathoya uhambile ku social media ngegama ngimiyeka namhlanje kusasa uye court uyongenzela I protection order ukuthi ngakhulumi ngaye e social media. uLathoya Magene bekangivala ukuthi ingakhiphi izindaba noma izinto bekazenza lapha endlini nalezi bengiyibona. uLathoya Magene yonke lento la yenza ukuthi abaleke ngane yami. Stop it, iyeke. Ngifuna ingane yami, ngifuna ukuyibona. Nawo amaphepha, amaphoyisa akufuna, court akufuna, magistrate akufuna. Ne protection order ikhona phezulu kwakho. Lathoya ubaba engane udinga ingane yakhe. Mphakathi ngicela nikhulume noLathoya nalabo eniphuza nandawa naye. Nimtsheleni ukuthi baba ufuna ingane. Nazi izinto akudlalwa la. Lathoya yeka lento lo yenzayo. Nalezo zenzi nalezo jwayele ukuzenza. Ngikhathele. Ngifuna ingane yami ngikhumbulile. Nalento ukuthi ngistop ukuthi ngikhulume ku social media ukuthi wena uyokhuluma lento lezo zikhulumayo ngami to protect your shit le uyenzayo. Lathoya, I want my child. I want to see my child. I don't care about you. Ungahamba nalawo hamba nabo. Hamba juba bayucutha phambili. Hayi ingane ngamthethwa wanyamboza. Ngifuna ingane yami. Na amaphepha. Amaphoyisa akufuni, icourt akufuni. Lathoya, letha ingane yami. Lathoya.
Hayi Lathoya sisi no. Lathoya ntombazana no. Wemfazi weLathoya. Hayi bathandi bobukhosi asikhuzeni. Hi you family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But this time around with Lathoya, it is getting worse. From the fact that uLebo went to podcast right after their separation to state that Lathoya lies. Lathoya is a liar. So basically, most of their relationship, it was based on lies because Lathoya lied allegedly that Lebo was abusive. Lathoya kept on lying on all of these things and it made uLebo to lose her mind. She went to podcast after podcast. She even made t-shirts written Lathoya lies. That is how traumatized uLebo was. And then now we are watching the series of the Magenes and Lathoya is with another man. Ubabu umahlala entabeni. Before we go deep, Mzansi is shocked at the fact that how did Lathoya end up with umahlala entabeni? They're saying this based on how this man looks and are comparing him to uLathoya, stating that these two, they do not even compliment each other. Ganti, what is wrong with uLathoya? And they cannot figure it out. They cannot understand. So in this season, Lathoya and this man seems like they have a child together, allegedly, because this man is now demanding his son from uLathoya since they have broken up. And he's stating that uLathoya is running away with his son. But Thandi Bomkosi, it does not end there. It goes further. The man, umahlala entabeni, alleges that uLathoya was cheating. Allegedly, she was bringing men into their house. She was sleeping with men in the same bed with a 1-month-old son. Aibo. Let's look at what people had to say. This of Lathoya thing is just tiring now. That woman needs to acknowledge that she needs help in order for her to be okay and stop using her popularity, beauty, and lies to get what she wants through people. Aisham Guningi. Batung, Lathoya attracts the same person in different bodies. She needs to cut those dreads, Lord, another one stated. What if this is a publicity stunt and Lathoya and her exes are all just acting to keep her name in the limelight. I'm just asking because it cannot be. I Shem Basadi Bumkosi, I agree. It cannot be. Well, Latoya. Even this man went to a podcast, Basadi Bumkosi, and when he got there, he kept on repeating the same thing that Latoya lies. Latoya is a liar, allegedly. I kuningi Basarabonko. So please do leave your comments down below. What do you think about Latoya's love life decisions? Does she need help? What's happening? Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.